it's me again, and today we are going to make mint chutney or pudina. So this is served with kebab or tandoori. So let's get started. Now I have here grinder or mixer. So we have to make paste out of this. This is pudina or mint leaves, cilantro or coriander. I have 2 cloves of garlic, ½ inch of ginger, and 1 onion. So we have to put everything here, and I have 1 green chili. So we have to put everything here and grind them. So now we have to grind it. We have to put just a little bit of water to a smooth paste. Just small water. So now I have grinded it. So you can see there's a smooth paste. So now we have to prepare the yogurt or curd. So I have here 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Then I'll have 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Then I have chaat masala. Chaat masala we need also 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And amchur or dry mango, 1 teaspoon as well. And salt as per your requirement. For me, maybe I just have to put ½ teaspoon, but it depends on you if you want salty. So as per my requirement, ½ teaspoon is good enough. So we have to blend it well. We have to mix. Now it is ready. So now we have to add here our paste. So we really have to remove here. We don't have to waste anything. Now our mint chutney or pudina is ready. So it's just very easy, guys. Simple and easy. So now my pudina is ready. This is good for tandoori or kebab, for dipping. This is for dipping, guys. Now guys, my pudina is ready.
It's